Mommy's gonna babysit us while you and Auntie are out. Oops, sorry. Well, Barbie is. But who's Barbie? Your babysitter? But who's she? She's on one of her friends. Oh. She didn't know that I'll wait out here for her. Annabelle? Yes, Mom? Can I go out there only? Yes, I can. Oh. Mommy, I have the hiccups. Maybe Barbie can fix that. Okay. So who am I gonna babysit? The kids. Yay! Hello, Liza. Hello, Annabelle. Hey, what's all the rush? It's not a rush, it's my hiccups. Aw, poor thing, you need to go in bed. Come on. There you go. Now that she's in bed, we can have a fun time together. Great, she still has the hiccups. No, I'm going out now. Come on, Elsa. Coming, hold on. Bye, kids. Be good. So, kids, what do you want to do? Oh, who are you? Oh no, I have hiccups. Great! Barbie, it's okay. Okay. Great, hiccups. I need to get rid of these hiccups.